for this particular video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different, something I haven't done before. I'm actually gonna do a price breakdown of expenses and profits. I'm gonna do that at the very end of this video, so stick around, check the house out and what has changed, and you know, stick around to see how this actually all works out at the end. What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of a completed project. You know, once again, you know, very excited about this particular project and you know, how far it has come. I mean, as you can see, the house is behind me, totally different color, but you know, without further ado, let's go check it out, see how everything is. So as you can see, you know, the garage is closed in, all brand new windows. Let's just kind of, actually, let's go inside. All right, so you know, the guys are still doing some work, so there's still some final touches being done. But you know, you come in, you can see the entire thing is all painted. That entire wall is gone that was there. This is the living room area. That's just all the garbage from the counters. So the brand new counters were all installed yesterday, and the granite guys just came, put in this brand new beautiful granite, an entire countertop. That looks amazing. Fridge is gonna go there. That's just a little pantry here. So that's the pantry there. Come back, all new lighting to the right. You can see the floors have been completely done. Room, all new paint, new lighting, new windows in every room. Come around to the second bedroom. All new. Turn some light on in here, right? Brand new lighting. Completely brand new HVAC through the whole house too. Come around this room here. We're just doing some final touch-ups right now. Closet there. Hey, how you doing, man? Yeah. It's looking good. Yeah. And then this is the bathroom here. You know, new toilet, floors are all completed there, bathtub, vanity, new hot water heater behind here. Just gotta finish the connections for that. Come around this portion here. You can see where that entire wall was taken out. Like I said, it was going to be done before, and this is now like just the whole entire open concept, which is great. New fixtures there, and if you notice the back door, so there's a whole back door where that wall, that old wall used to be. Space here. So this is the garage, and what we're gonna do is you can see the garage drops down like about 1 feet. So we're gonna actually level this out, level this area out. We'll put 2 windows here, close this in. We're gonna close it all in. We're gonna put a full bathroom right here. So just like I did in one of the other properties, gonna put before we go out there, let's come around here. So this is where the garage used to be. It used to be right through this door, and then there was a step down. But now this is actually an entire master bedroom. So you got the 2 windows there. Come around here. Kept the brick wall, just painted the brick wall, which gives it a great accent. Brand new HVAC, vents. And behind this closet door is where this is where the washer and dryer. Washer and dryer will be in there. And that'll be tucked away. Still got the brick wall there for that accent. And then behind this door is the master bathroom. So you get a vanity lighting, mirror. Come around. Got the shower. Got the stand-up shower. That's all tiled in. And you know, bathroom, toilet. But bathroom looks great. Come around here. So that's the master bedroom. Then come out here. Go through the back door. So you got back door access now and onto the deck. So it's fall right now, so you got all the leaves and everything. It's a little bit dirty, but this is a brand new deck. The entire house. That's the garage enclosure. The entire house has been repainted. As you can see, that's the brand new HVAC right down there. This entire house has an entirely new HVAC system all throughout. Come down, brand new stairs for the deck. Got a metal roof on this particular house, which, you know, metal roof, you don't got to worry about roofing, changing the roof. Gonna be getting rid of this whole fence at some point, but not right now. This was cemented the front here, and yeah, I mean, you know, that's that's pretty much it, guys. You know, that's a tour of the entire house and the entire setup. I really love the new kitchen. You know, you walk in. You got that island. All right, guys, so that's it. You know, that's pretty much the entire house and everything that has been done. As you can see, the guys did an amazing job refreshing this entire house and just renovating everything. I personally did not have any hands-on, but you know, the team that did have a hands-on, you know, they did an immaculate job with a lot of things. Right now, the house is a little bit dirty, so, you know, just gonna get someone in here, clean it up, and just do all the little fine tuning, and then it's ready to go. So yeah, you know, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any ideas, but yeah, guys, so until next time. All right, guys, what's up? Back in the house, and you know, back in my office, and you know, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a full breakdown of the profits of this house, the costs, the expenses, and you know, just my expectations moving forward. You know, if you watch my videos often, then you know more often I always just kind of say, you know, I made an XYZ percentage on the sale of a house. But since we're going to be keeping this house, and you know, since we're going to be doing, you know, just kind of mixing things up with it, just going to give you guys a complete cost breakdown and expense breakdown, so you have an idea of what goes into some of these deals. So, you know, just jump right into the numbers. So the house, I paid $100,000 for the house, $100,000 cash, with $500 over. I actually won the bid because I had bid $500 over, and that's just a little tricky tactic with, you know, bidding on a house. You know, when you put in your offers, you know, if you even put $1 over, then you're always put yourself in a little better position. Rental for the house was $60,000. So, you know, there was a lot to be done on that house. You know, you saw the before, you saw the after. A lot of work went into that house. Brand new HVAC units throughout the entire house. Brand new electrical panel box with wires ran. throughout the entire house. You know, the entire garage transformed into a full master bedroom. And, you know, granite countertops, brand new windows throughout the entire house. Like, there really was no expenses spared to make this house a really good house for the longevity of my ownership. You know, so I did pull a mortgage on the house because, remember, you always got to stay liquid. So there's no way I'm gonna have $165,000 stuck inside of, you know, a house that I'm keeping. It just doesn't make sense. You use the bank's money, guys. And so I pulled a mortgage for $150,000. I took a mortgage out on the house for $150,000. And so that monthly, my monthly mortgage on the house is $1,350. And that's at an 8% interest rate. Interest rates are crazy right now. My lender, she got me 8%. Listen, for the type of loans that I do, business loans and stuff, you're talking about 10, 11, 12%. But I've been doing business with her for so long now. She went, you know, she went to the depths of the earth and got me this 8%. It may not sound good to you, but 8% sounds great to me. So that's the expense of the house. So now, what am I going to do with the house? This house is going to be rented and or Airbnb. I'm not 100% sure yet. You know, let me clean it up and sit on it for, you know, a week or two before I decide exactly what I'm going to do. But rent in this particular area for this house, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2 full bathroom, 4-bedroom, full kitchen, and everything brand new. Rent for this house goes anywhere from $2,000 to $2,200. Well, let's just call it $2,100 that I could get rent-wise for that house. Now, if I Airbnb it, that house would be, with Airbnb in this particular area for this house and size, you can make anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 a month. So monthly profit on rent, $750 roughly, you know, if I rented it, and monthly profits if I Airbnb it, anywhere from $1,150 to $1,650. So yeah, guys, you know, that's the numbers for this particular house. Does every house work like this? Absolutely not. But you know, as you can see, the percentages, the profits, everything just makes sense. And it's not every house that you have to flip. Now, granted, I'm $160,000 into the house. But the house is worth $225,000. So if I wanted to turn around and just sell the house right now, I could sell the house on the market as is with all the renos for $225,000, which is great, you know, but do I need to do that? No. Do I want to do that? No. Like I said, it's not every house, it's not every investment that you want to just get rid of out the window. You have to mix up your portfolio and, you know, switch things up every now and then. But anyway, guys, 2024, we're in the fourth quarter with the end of 2023. 2024 is, you know, coming around the corner really fast. And for 2024, I really got some very, very big plans that I want to, you know, start and I want to execute. You know, jumping into this Airbnb stuff is actually something new for me. One of my other rentals, I'm going to be exploring an Airbnb with that as well, because I have a tenant moving out January 1st. And I am actually, in 2024, I'm going to start, you know, a program to, you know, get more people in that want to invest. You know, if you want to invest, if you've been watching my story, you watching some other people's stories, you know, you want to start to get into the real estate, you want to start to invest, then, you know, by all means, you know, my email will be in the description below. You know, feel free to reach out to me via email, and you know, I'm always willing to, you know, sit down and have a discussion with serious, like-minded people. But guys, you know, let me not keep you too long. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you know, just hit the like button, drop a comment, you know, subscribe to this channel, share this with someone that you think might need this sort of information, or someone that you think, you know, they want to break into real estate, but they're not 100% sure. You know, I have a lot of insight that I'm going to be sharing, and, you know, just kind of growing my team and just, you know, growing my portfolio and everything else. So, guys, thank you, and continue to, you know, watch and support this channel. Until next time, peace, guys. Thank you.